Tuesday. Welcome to Tuesday. Sorry about the noise, we've got the compressor firing up. Don't worry, you're not as cross as a wife is about that. Yeah, so what I'm doing is firing up the compressor. I'm going to find the air-powered Dremel, in quotes. It's not really a Dremel, is it? But air-powered little grinder, just to open up that little hole, because I never bothered to buy myself another cone drill. So we're just going to use the die grinder on that. And yeah, so hopefully everyone enjoyed the jet black video. Hopefully anyone can hear me at the moment. So I might just stop talking, sort a few things out, and then see you in a minute. Okay, compressor's stopped. You can see the hole that I was butchering down there. We'll get the compressed air line. Best little investment I've ever made that. One of these little garage extension things. I think you guys have seen it before. Little die grinder. Different attachments, but I'm only sticking with that one because I've lost the other attachments. They're in the garage somewhere. So let's open up the hole so we can. Where's my grommet? There. Ordered some new ones of those because they're used all around the place. Not quite sure what anyone saw of that apart from my head, but that's opened up. So yeah, upper grommet fits nice now. It looks a bit deformed, but that's because the grommet itself is deformed. Yeah, so that's quite good. It comes out behind the steering rack on that one. So hopefully give it a bit of protection and stuff, but who knows. Yeah, cool. Okay, another one of my world's most exciting videos. I'm just going to pop this grommet in now because I just want to, even though it's the old one. I don't know if you just saw, I stuck a little bit of paint around the edge there, let that dry off. Should have put the cable through first before I suspect the grommet's just going to poke out. I'll just go around to the other side and see through the steering. There we go, so that's one. Excuse it coming through that hole. Everybody knows it doesn't come through that hole. It will go all the way to there. So that's looking good, just needs pinning back. And yeah, so we'll see if we've got any, I don't know where my PKs are, my stainless steel PKs. I think I'm gonna have to mow over the unit. Let's see if we can find the, we've got the extension wire for the dip switch. So that replaces those, so we'll pop that on. And that could be screwed down if I can find any screws. Well, I was going to finish by packing a box for stuff to go to my dad's, but as I got the box out, I found the accelerator cable, accelerator pedal, or throttle pedal, as we like to call it in England. I don't know who calls it what actually. So yeah, it's got a little bit of glue in there where the where I've used the Pour 15 stuff. It goes on quite thick, so you just be careful where you want to stick it, otherwise it blocks things up, so just be careful of that. But that'll be alright. We'll just clean the holes out. 7/16 spanner, bish bash bosh. Bob's your uncle. Yeah, cool. A couple of sprung washers. Not even going on there because of the paint. Gee. Jesus. Oh, everything's going slow tonight, isn't it? Oh, Jesus. Oh. My tripod's a bit loose. Surprise after this time. What's going on there? Slowly dying. Yeah, so that was a job that should have taken a lot less time. Realising with 2-pack that it does go on quite thick, so threads, bolts, nuts, anything you don't want covered in 2-pack. It's very close to there. We can always bend it slightly anyway, but maybe that's how it is. Yeah, so anything you don't want covered in 2-pack, make sure you mask up because it's a little bit of a pain in the ass. So yeah, excellent. Got all the pedals in there, a little bit loose because I've got them all loose at the moment. Yeah, push start switch hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully it'll arrive tomorrow. That could be the next video. Get that hole drilled and mounted. We can get under the car, maybe look at wiring it up. What else we got arriving? I was trying to do an MS Mega Squirt digital dashboard video this weekend, but that didn't work out too well because I've ordered some wrong bits. They're coming again soon, so we'll do one of those videos soon. Seems like everyone liked the old pickup, and I love the pickup as well. But we've got to get this thing done as well. We've got to get this out of the way, but it will slow up a bit because we've got to wait on logistics of the engine and everything coming down. And it's just too cold to do the top coat properly. But we should try and do the primer and at least get some of the wheels that we can do in primer as well, which we should do because they're just getting a bit of surface rust on them as well, which is just stupid. Just had some pork chops for tea, Malcolm. Had some sort of Chinese type flavour into them. Marinade as they call it in the chef world. But yeah, so we're getting there. Yeah. What other bits we ordered? Something else up. Ordered some UJs for the engine drive shafts. Still got to box up the stuff for my dad, which I haven't done. Must do that tomorrow night. Got my old friend Martin wants to come around, do me a question and answer, or some sort of quiz mastermind. I don't know what he's got planned, but we need to do that in the next few days or weeks. I did order some bits. What did I order? Oh yeah, I ordered the rubber grommets, I told you that, and I've ordered some more floor plates, which again for the handbrakes, as we've said, there's a few people commenting. I think, to be honest, I think 2 is okay. I think I have seen cars with 2, I'm sure I have. But as people talk about it, ideally you want another 2 underneath pointing the opposite way, so it creates like a little tunnel shaft, which doesn't touch and it's all coated, but God sake, it is a Mini. And it's not the best design anyway. Yeah, excellent. Alright, sorry for the short video. I'm nearly 100%, I'm about 95% better health wise, so we're nearly getting there. Alright guys, bye bye.